Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to divide monomials using the quotient rule. This is a fundamental skill that will help you simplify algebraic expressions easily. First, let's quickly review what a monomial is. A monomial is an expression with just one single term. It is made up of a coefficient, which is the number part, and a variable raised to a power or exponent. For example, 12x to the power of 5 is a monomial. To divide these expressions, we use the quotient rule for exponents. The rule states that, when you divide two terms with the same base, you keep the base the same and subtract the bottom exponent from the top exponent. Why does this work? Let's look at x to the power of 5 divided by x squared. If we write it out, x to the fifth is 5 x's multiplied together, and x squared is 2 x's. 2 x's from the top cancel out with 2 x's from the bottom. We are left with 3 x's on top, which is x cubed. We can break this process down into two simple steps. Step 1 is to handle the coefficients, or the numbers. Step 2 is to handle the variables by subtracting their exponents. Let's try an example. 12x to the fifth divided by 3x squared. First, look at the big numbers, 12 and 3. You simply divide them like normal. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Next, look at the variables. We have x to the fifth on top and x squared on the bottom. Using the quotient rule, we subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2 is 3, so the variable part becomes x cubed. Putting it all together, let's solve 20x to the power of 8 divided by 4x to the power of 5. First, divide 20 by 4 to get 5. Then, subtract the exponents. 8 minus 5 equals 3. The final answer is 5x cubed. What if there is more than one variable? You just do the same thing for each letter. Here we have 15x to the fourth y cubed divided by 3x squared y 15 divided by 3 is 5. For the x's, 4 minus 2 is 2. For the y's, 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 5x squared y squared. Here is a very common mistake to avoid. Never divide the exponents. If you have x to the 10th divided by x squared, the answer is not x to the 5th. You must subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8, so the correct answer is x to the 8th power. To wrap up, remember these key points. Always divide the coefficients just like regular numbers. Then, subtract the exponents for the matching variables. And always keep the base variable the same.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.